Baby massage.
Brother,
Baby massage.
can I go in the fort with you?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Show me how to get in there.
Go.
Wait,
Lift up the foot and then crawl on in.
Come on in our fort, Lizzie. You want to come in?
She
Brother.
said yes.
Brother, I want to come in. Can I bring this red light?
That's a mouse.
What's a mouse?
It's what you use on a computer if you want to click on something.
Oh, what's this up here, brother?
A computer.
What's a computer?
You use it to get work done and to do PBS Kids, you know.
Oh, what's this I'm holding on to now?
A rocking chair.
What's a rocking chair?
You rock in it.
Why?
'Cause.
Whoa, I'm falling. Help me. Someone, help me, please.
Let's
Thanks,
snuggle
Mom.
in here, Alyssa.
Hey, Alyssa, want to come in here with us? Yeah, I really do. I do. Come on.
Dad, there's enough room for you in here.
Dad, you want to come with us? Hey, Dad,
All right,
Dad,
I'm coming in.
Dad, I need
There's
your
enough
help.
room.
I'm trying to get this bowl of food. Come on.
It's icky, Alyssa.
What? Looks like tomatoes. I like tomatoes.
Icky. Okay.
Okay, let's bring her in. Ready, Lissy? Want to come in our fort? Come on. Doot, doot, doot. Heidi ho. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Diggity boom. Boom, boom,
Let's
boom.
go.
Diggity boom.
Go.
Teep, teep, teep.
Let's go, Mom.
Okay. Oh, I'm coming, brother. I'm coming. Let's go. Hurry. Oh, this is so fun in here. It's like a real fort. Wait a minute. I'm confused. I'm going back out again. I don't
Dad,
know.
you want to come in, Dad?
I do, buddy.
There's
Hey,
enough room
Brady.
for you in here.
Brady,
Okay,
I
I'm
found
coming
this.
in.
What's this thing called?
A mouse.
What's a mouse?
You use it to click on stuff on a computer.
Oh, what's the red light on the bottom?
Oh, that tells you if it's on or off.
Oh. Okay. Well, I'm going to play with those keys. Can you help me reach them?
Keys? What are keys?
They're over there. I'm just trying to reach them. I just can't get to them.
Dad, are these yours? Dad, are these your keys?
Yeah, they are, buddy.
Brother, give them to me. I want to play with them, please.
But you may hit this button